I will let the blessings fall on me. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all to Jesus. I surrender now. I feel the sacred flame. Oh, the joy of full salvation. Glory, glory to His name. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender angels from the realms of glory, wing your flight o'er all the earth. He who sang creation's story, now proclaim Messiah's birth. Come and worship, worship Christ the newborn King. Shepherds in the fields abiding, watching o'er your flocks by night. God with man is now residing, yonder shines the infant light. Come and worship Christ the newborn King. Sages, leave your contemplations, brighter visions beam afar. Seek the great desire of nations, ye have seen His natal star. Come and worship Christ the newborn King. Saints before the altar bending, watching, longing, hope and fear. Suddenly the Lord descending, in His temple shall appear. Angels from the realms of glory, wing your flight o'er all the earth. He who sang creation's story, now proclaim Messiah's birth. Come and worship Christ the newborn King. Come and worship journey on with rapid speed. I'll help the sick and poor and weak, and the words of kindness to them speak. Life's evening sun is sinking low. A few more days and I must go to meet the needs that I have done, where there will be no setting sun. Life's evening sun is sinking low.